I haven't been here for a few years, so I'm going to go all the way to the end and try to find one of my favourite dishes. Now, what it is, liquid batter of rice, thin layer goes on top, and it steams, and it becomes this beautiful thin layer of soft, silky rice noodle sheet. And then it's filled with a stir-fried pork with glass noodles and some shallots. It's rolled up, and then it's cut up with a bit of bean sprout and fresh herbs. It's absolutely fantastic. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Great. OK, so I'm going to put a bit of chilli in there. You get all this wonderful noodle. Now, check out this noodle. It's freshly made, freshly steamed, with a pork and woody mushroom in there. Dunk into your fish sauce. Oh. Mmm. So yummy, that's right. It's just so soft, it kind of melts in your mouth. Really delicious. Now, this next one is the bun tambi, and it's from the south of Saigon, actually, near the Mekong Delta. So they use a lot of coconut cream. So a bit of bean sprout, a bit of cucumber, some of this beautiful noodle, pig skin with a bit of pork mixed through it, and rice powder, a bit of spring onion oil, some pickled vegetables, pickled carrot, chili, and then this is the best part. The fish sauce goes on, but this gorgeous thickened coconut. Can you believe that this is, you know, found in this laneway right on the curbside? Wow. So she was born in this neighbourhood. She lives just around the corner. This is her elder sister place. Her mother set up this store when she was just 10. And so when I feel like this dish or this dish here, I would come straight to this market because I know it's good. I know they've been doing it forever. This is what's so special about street food. Now, I'm right on the edge of District 1 and District 3, off to Tendon Market. Now, what I love about these fresh markets is you can buy everything alive. You know, the fish is alive, the prawns are alive, the crabs are alive, or you can come here and buy the ingredients already prepared for you. So here we've got the crab claws, the crab meat already picked, so all that hard work is done for you. Over here, for example, we've got some already prepared bitter gourd with minced pork, woody mushrooms, stuffed in the bitter gourd. You take a couple of these home, you boil it at home in some soup, and it's already prepared as well. Here we have some stuffed tofu, so throw that in the fryer. It's got some pork and glass noodles in there. All the hard work is done. Now, she's making some beautiful cabbage rolls here. So she's blanched the cabbage and blanched some spring onion, filled it with pork and woody mushrooms, and it's prepared for you already. So I would take around, 12 of these home, make a little stock, boil those up, bit of rice, dinner is already done and served. Love this, look at that. Kalopa, wow, great big catfish there. Oh, this is really interesting. Wow, look at this. And she scrapes all of the flesh off with just a simple tablespoon, and it's going to be pounded, marinated, and then made into some bouncy, beautiful textural fish cakes.